Finally, and the other thing about, I keep having the President Biden hasn't called me. Well, it's his option if he wants to call or not. It is business if he thinks it's necessary or not. I mean, not that I am waiting for any phone call. It's his prerogative.
These are friends who are visiting from Delhi, so I just thought maybe we can have a difference of strategy in Delhi and Pakistan on Corona also. The way we fought is totally different.
Can I ask one last question towards Afghanistan? You're a close ally to China. What would you see the future role of China in Afghanistan?
I think the answer to your question also is that I think that the Americans have decided that India is a strategic partner now. And I think that's why there's a different way of treating Pakistan now. And also they feel that we're very close to China and then they want to sideline China. So I think in the broader strategic policy of the US, I think that's what is reflected in the way they have dealt with Pakistan. Pakistan is just considered only to be useful in the context of somehow settling this mess which has been left behind after 20 years of trying to find a military solution when there was not one. I feel that China is an emerging superpower and China is, for us, for Pakistan, it's very important because China has helped us in a very difficult time. So we are obviously grateful to China the way they've helped us. But it's not an exclusive thing. Even CPEC for us is we've invited all the countries, Europeans, any country can join us in this. Pakistan's main concern now is economics. Our real concentration is now to lift, we have 220 million people. My main job is to look at their well-being, lift people out of poverty. And that point of view, China has been very helpful because China has done probably in human history, no country has ever done lifting almost 700 million people out of poverty. So that's really our main, where China is helping us a lot.